how to create template in Notion. So first, open up Notion and then just open up one of your pages, say like this one. So if you want to make a template out of this, you can just click on share at the top right, then click on publish and then publish again, and then make sure the duplicate as template is on, and then you can just copy this link here. And then once you copy this link, you just need to share this to anyone that you want to share it with, and then that person just needs to type it or paste it on the search bar, and then it'll open up here like this on their Notion account, and then they just need to click on duplicate here at the top, and then that template would just copy. They just need to click on add to private, and then the template that you just shared would be copied to their own Notion page. Okay, so as you can see now we have two here. So this is mine. So for example, this is that person that you send the link to, and then they'll have a similar template like ours, as you can see. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.